Alright, we're here fixing some bleach spots. Now these spots have already been neutralized. There's already a striking agent, and I've added some red to this spot. Now all it's missing is the blue. Add a little blue. And you can see how the spot is going right back to the right color. I'm just going to keep going around the outside. Working my way in until it's completely gone. Fiber by fiber. Sorry. And I'm going to keep doing that, and then we'll, add some different colors until it's just right. See, we're getting there.